Hey there TikTokers! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into a step-by-step guide on how to make money from TikTok. TikTok has taken the world by storm, and now it's your chance to turn your creativity into cash. So, let's get started. Step 1. Finding your niche. The first step to making money on TikTok is finding your niche. What are you passionate about? Are you a dancer, a comedian, a chef, or an artist? Identify your unique talent and focus on creating content around it. Step 2. Building your following. Once you've discovered your niche, it's time to build your following. Consistently post high-quality and engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Use trending hashtags, collaborate with other TikTokers, and engage with your viewers to grow your follower count. Step 3. Meeting TikTok's monetization requirements. To monetize your TikTok account, you need to meet certain requirements. TikTok currently requires creators to have at least 10,000 followers and accumulate at least 10,000 video views within the past 30 days. So focus on growing your following and engagement to meet these thresholds. Step 4. Choosing between a personal or business account. When it comes to earning money on TikTok, you have the option to choose between a personal or business account. Both account types have their advantages. A personal account is great for individuals looking to showcase their creativity, while a business account offers additional features such as TikTok ads and insights to track your performance. Step 5. Leveraging TikTok's monetization features. Now that you've built a solid following and meet the requirements, it's time to monetize your TikTok account. TikTok offers several ways to earn money, such as the TikTok Creator Fund, brand partnerships, and live streaming. Take advantage of these features and start generating income from your content. Step 6. Partnering with brands. One of the most lucrative ways to make money on TikTok is by partnering with brands. As your following grows, brands may approach you for sponsored content. Make sure to choose partnerships that align with your values and resonate with your audience. Step 7. Selling merchandise. Another fantastic way to monetize your TikTok presence is by selling merchandise. Create your own line of branded merchandise, such as t-shirts, hoodies, or accessories, and promote it to your followers. Platforms like Teespring and Shopify can help you set up an online store seamlessly. Step 8. Cross-promoting your content. To maximize your earnings, consider cross-promoting your TikTok content on other social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or your personal blog. This will help you reach a wider audience and attract potential brand partnerships. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to make money from TikTok. Remember, success on TikTok takes time, dedication, and creativity. So keep creating amazing content, engage with your audience, and the money will follow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on monetizing your online presence.